The Byzantine Empire, the continuation of the Roman Empire in the East, stood as a beacon of culture, politics, and religion for over 1,000 years. At its peak, under Emperor Justinian I, the empire experienced a golden era of architecture, law, and expansion. Justinian's reign, 1 minute. Emperor Justinian I ruled from 527 to 565 CE. He was ambitious and determined to restore the glory of the Roman Empire. Justinian is best known for his military campaigns, which reclaimed parts of North Africa, Italy, and Spain. But Justinian's influence extended beyond battles. He commissioned the Codex Justinianus, or Justinian Code, a collection of laws that became the foundation of many modern legal systems. Hagia Sophia, 1 to 1.5 minutes. One of Justinian's most remarkable legacies is the Hagia Sophia, which means constructed between 532 and 537 CE in Constantinople, modern-day Istanbul. It was an architectural marvel of its time. The Hagia Sophia's massive dome seemed to float above the vast interior, symbolizing heaven on earth. Its intricate mosaics depicted religious figures, blending Christian iconography with Byzantine artistry. For centuries, it remained the largest cathedral in the world and a symbol of Byzantine ingenuity. Cultural and religious impact, 45 seconds. Justinian was a devout Christian and sought to strengthen the Orthodox Church. The Hagia Sophia became the spiritual heart of the empire, hosting ceremonies, coronations, and celebrations. His reign, while marked by prosperity and cultural achievement, also faced challenges, plagues, revolts, and economic struggles, but Justinian's vision left an indelible mark on Byzantine history. Conclusion, 15 to 20 seconds. The Byzantine Empire under Justinian exemplifies the fusion of law, faith, and architecture. The Hagia Sophia stands as a lasting monument to human creativity and the enduring legacy of a remarkable ruler whose influence continues to inspire even today.